Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be talking about the toggle and how you can pass multiple views to toggle label and create a richer experience. So we're just going to take a quick look into how we can do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start by creating a state property, state private var show details, and we're gonna set it to false. Okay, now here what we're gonna do is I'm gonna leave the text here at devtechie.com, and let's go ahead and set the foreground style to be orange and gradient. There we go. And font to be large title. All right, and let's go ahead and also make sure we actually set the preferred color scheme to be dark. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a toggle. So let's create a toggle, and we're going to say show details, and here in the body what we're going to do is basically we're going to pass in some of the details. Okay, now right now the compiler is throwing an error because we are already providing a label, and if you want to add a closure after the toggle, this closure actually serves as the content itself as well, or the view that you want to show for the toggle. So you'd have to remove this guy right here, and then it works fine. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are simply going to write a text here, and we can provide like let's, for example, hello from devtechie.com, and then we can add some more text. For example, you can add text like learn Okay, so as you can see that as soon as we added another text, it automatically took the secondary font scheme, or it's basically a smaller font than what you have for the main title, and then it's also grayish in color. So it's using primary for the main text, secondary for the alternate text or the subtitle, and if you add the third one, this third one is, let's see what it displays. So it should basically adopt the same. So there you go. Okay, so as you can see, that third one took the secondary font style or the color as we guessed, and it automatically took the caption text, which is basically making sure that you or your user understand basically the importance of all these texts that are defined within the toggle. For example, the first text is going to talk about what this particular toggle is about, right? What is the main title, and then you have, like, you know, subtitle, which describes or adds a little bit more detail into what it actually does, and then you can have, like, you know, furthermore text for the body. Now one of the use case that I can think of for this one is like privacy policy. So you're putting a privacy policy on your app, and you want to display, like, you know, just saying privacy policy, and then, like, you know, talk about, hey, this is devtechie's privacy policy, and you can visit the link to get the details about the privacy policy. So that's how, like, you know, you can use this one, and this is completely functional, basically just like your other toggle views. And as you can see, this whole thing is an entire thing is a single view. Okay, all right, so this was a quick tip from devtechie.com, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.